Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can order Cashapp card. So Cashapp card is basically the debit card of Cashapp through which you guys can use Cashapp physically, like by swiping your card or using it on an ATM, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can order a Cashapp card. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So after you open your Cashapp, you want to click on this little card looking icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you're over here, click on get free cash card. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to choose the type. Now remember, all of these are not free. For some design, you need to pay extra charge, alright? I'm gonna get the free one over here, the black one, and I'm gonna click on order card. Now if you want to personalize your card, you can do that, but it's gonna charge you some money for that, alright? So I'm gonna click on order card. Once I do that, it's gonna take me to the card ordering page where it's gonna ask me to enter my address. Now over here, I need to enter my address, my state, my zip code, and everything. After I do that, I need to click on next. And if your Cash App is not verified, then it's gonna ask you to verify your Cash App as well. So after doing all of the process, your Cash App card will be ordered and it's gonna be delivered to your house between 1 week or 4 or 5 days. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can order a Cash App card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.